Cub Cadet zero turn your front cable to the left tire if you're sitting in the seat. It was this piece, you just turn it like that and it pulls out. New one in, sideways, pull that way. Just travel through there, disconnected from that. We got to loosen these two clips right here. You squeeze them in, pull that way, pull it that way so you can get to the cable, and it pulls out. That's the old one. And right here is where the cable connects to the frame. There's a screw right here, nut, whatever, on this side that mounts it to tighten it. And then when you get over to this side, it goes to that screw right there where your loop goes. Pretty simple. New one, like that. Make sure this is facing this way. On this side, it'd be the opposite for the opposite side. It goes through that hole, mount it to that, then a couple other bolts.